Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken Exchange, secure guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Type Kraken Exchange in the search bar. Click on the official Kraken website link. Once the web page loads, locate the login button on the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your secure password in the password field. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, retrieve your authentication code from your app. Enter the authentication code in the provided field. Review your login information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. You can also click on Forgot Your Password to reset it if needed. Follow the on-screen instructions if you need to reset your password. Once logged in, ensure that you see your account dashboard. Take a moment to review any notifications or alerts regarding security. Make sure to log out after your session for added security. Enjoy trading safely on Kraken Exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.